morning, students. Today, let us study the lesson Magnetism and Magnetic Effects of Electric Current, and then the topic Current Loop as a Magnetic Dipole. The magnetic field at a point on the axis Z, then it's the current carrying circular loop. And then of radius r at a distance Z from its center, and is given by the equation of magnetic field B vector is equal to mu 0 I by 2 r squared by r squared plus z squared the whole power 3 by 2 k vector. At larger distance z is greater than, very greater than r. Therefore, r squared plus z squared is similar to or approximately the value of z squared. We have B vector is equal to mu 0 I r squared by 2 z cube k cap. So r squared plus z squared is equal to z squared nu nama edukumbodhu, so z squared the whole power 3 by 2 and the z மேல இருக்க power 2 cancel ஆகுது. So now we get the value only z cube. So B vector is equal to mu 0 I r squared by 2 z cube k cap. Then let A be the area of circular loop. A is equal to pi r squared. Then B vector is equal to mu 0 I by 2 pi A by z cube k cap. Multiply and divide by a 2. So B vector is equal to mu 0 by 4 by 2 I A by z cube k cap. And the A value, area of the circular loop குள்ள A value நம்ம என்ன செய்றோம், அதில் substitute பண்ணுறோம். Then now we find the magnetic field B vector is equal to mu 0 4 by 2 IA by z cube k cap. So அதில் வரக்கூடிய IAங்கிறது magnetic dipole moment. So PM is equal to IA. Then in a vector notation, P vector M is equal to I A vector. The magnetic dipole moment of any current loop is equal to the product of the current and area of the loop. Magnetic field due to the current carrying wire of infinite length using Ampere's law. Let us consider straight conductor wire. Its infinite length and its carrying wire current I. And the current direction is same direction of magnetic field lines. Since the wire is geometrically cylindrical in shape and symmetrical about its axis. So we imagine an Amperean loop in the form of a circular shape at a distance of from the center of the conductor. So next one, according to the Ampere's law, so we get the equation closed integral of B vector dot dl vector is equal to mu 0 I, where dl is the line element along the Amperean loop tangent to the circular loop. Hence, the angle between magnetic field vector and the line element is 0. So therefore, the closed integral of B dl is equal to mu 0 I. So, listen, the angle between magnetic field and line element is 0. So, அந்த circular loopல பாருங்கம்மா, அந்த magnetic field vector வந்து நமக்கு எப்படி இருக்கு, இந்த B vector and then n element, அந்த black color arrow mark and then red color arrow. So, அதை ரெண்டையும் நோட் பண்ணுங்க. the same direction and then particular point. ஸோ அந்த இடத்துல வரும்போது அந்த ரெண்டுமே சேம் டைரக்ஷனில் இருக்கல. இன் பிட்வீன் ஆங்கிள் வந்து நமக்கு 0ன்னு கிடைக்குது. ஸோ பி வெக்டார் டாட் டிஎல் வெக்டார் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கணும், ஆக்சுவலி பிடிஎல் காஸ் டீட்டா. ஸோ ஆங்கிள் 0ங்கும்போது பிடிஎல் நமக்கு கிடைக்குது. ஓகேவா, காஸ் 0 1. ஸோ த க்ளோஸ் இன்டெக்ரல் ஆஃப் பிடிஎல் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு மியூ 0 ஐ. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், நமக்கு பி வெக்டார் நமக்கு வந்து க்ளோஸ் இன்டெக்ரலை விட்டு நமக்கு வெளியில் வரும். ஸோ பி வெக்டார் the B close integral of dl is equal to mu 0 I. For circular loop, the circumference is 2 pi r, which implies, so B into the limit value of integral, the limit value of n to 2 pi r. So dl is equal to mu 0 I. So upper limit minus lower limit. So B vector dot 2 pi r is equal to mu 0 I. Now we get the value magnetic field in the circular coil or circular loop. B is equal to mu 0 I by 2 pi r. Next, in vector form, B vector is equal to mu 0 I by 2 pi r n cap. Lorentz force. When an electric charge Q is kept at rest in a magnetic field, so no force act on it. At that time, if the charge moves in a magnetic field, it experiences some force. So this force is different from Coulomb force. So this force is known as magnetic force. That force is called Lorentz force. So F vector is equal to Q into V vector into B vector. In general, if the charge is moving in both the electric and magnetic field, the total force experienced by the charge is given by F vector is equal to Q E vector into V vector into B vector. It is known as Lorentz force.